Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about falling off the wagon. I just want you to know that if you have failed in some way, and I use that term very lightly, if you have become sidetracked in working this plan, I want you to take a deep breath or two and say, you know what? Everybody does this from time to time, even me. So we're going to step right back in where we stepped out. And I use that expression a lot. And what does that mean? It means pretend like nothing happened and this is your normal day. This is what you would normally do. Now you might have a few things to catch up on. If your laundry is way behind, then just wash that section of laundry. Let's say today is your darks, then just wash darks. Even instead of 2 loads, you might have 4. You can catch up that way. Or figure out what thing that you need the worst and wash that set of clothes. So I like to separate the clothes into sheets, towels, darks, lights, and mediums. You might like to separate your clothes into sheets, towels, his, hers, theirs. It's up to you, but just do a section today. Don't try to do it all. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you remember that you are beautiful.